The IRS offers various debt forgiveness and relief programs for individuals and businesses who are struggling to pay their tax debts. These programs are designed to help taxpayers settle their tax liabilities and avoid severe penalties or legal action. Here are some key IRS debt forgiveness programs. 1. Offer in compromise (OIC). An offer in compromise allows taxpayers to settle their tax debt for less than the full amount they owe. It's designed for people who can't pay their tax liability in full or would face financial hardship if they did. The IRS considers factors like income, expenses, asset, equity, ability to pay. If the IRS believes the taxpayer's offer is the most they can realistically pay, they may accept it. Eligibility requirements: filed all required tax returns, made estimated tax payments, if required, not currently in an open bankruptcy proceeding. 2. Installment agreement. If you can't pay your tax bill in full, you can apply for an installment agreement to pay off the debt in monthly payments over time. The IRS offers different types of installment plans, including short-term, 120 days or less, and long-term agreements. Interest and penalties still accrue, but payments make the debt more manageable. Benefits: avoids collection actions like wage garnishment or liens. Payments can be adjusted if financial circumstances change. 3. Currently not collectible (CNC) status. If you're unable to pay your tax debt due to financial hardship, the IRS may place your account in currently not collectible (CNC) status. This means the IRS will temporarily halt collection activities, such as levying wages or seizing assets. However, interest and penalties still accrue during this time, and your financial situation will be reviewed periodically. For innocent spouse relief, if you filed a joint tax return and your spouse or former spouse omitted income or claimed improper deductions, you may qualify for innocent spouse relief. This program removes your responsibility for paying additional tax, interest, and penalties if you can prove you were unaware of the issues at the time of filing. 5. Penalty abatement. The IRS can reduce or eliminate certain penalties through penalty abatement if you can show reasonable cause for failing to meet tax obligations. Reasonable cause may include circumstances like serious illness, natural disasters, or inaccurate professional advice. 6. Fresh Start Program. The IRS Fresh Start initiative helps taxpayers who owe back taxes by offering expanded options for paying off tax debts and avoiding penalties. Some benefits of this initiative include higher thresholds for small business installment agreements, streamlined offers in compromise for qualifying taxpayers, easier withdrawal of federal tax liens once the debt is paid. How to apply for debt forgiveness. You can apply for most of these programs directly through the IRS website, by mail, or with the help of a tax professional. Gather documentation showing your financial hardship, tax filings, and any relevant circumstances to strengthen your case. If you're dealing with IRS debt, one of these programs may provide significant relief and help you get back on track financially.